Hi, it's Juho here, Chief Product Officer for Nokia Mobile. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you the all-new Nokia 2.2. The brief for the new Nokia 2 was simple. In addition to delivering the awesome smartphone experience you know us for, we wanted to create a super accessible AI phone at an incredibly competitive price. The goal was to make sure that everyone can access and enjoy the latest advancements in AI technology, and I think we hit the mark here. The first thing you notice about the new Nokia 2 is its gorgeous display. We wanted to create something that would fit well in your pocket and be easy to use with a single hand. A 5.71-inch HD Plus screen with a selfie notch was the perfect solution, delivering a very compact design with an excellent display-to-footprint ratio. Out of the box, the new Nokia 2 runs on Android 9 Pie as part of the Android One program. The Nokia 2 comes with our signature promise of 2 years of OS upgrades and 3 years of monthly security updates. This is something truly unique to us. In my opinion, it's like buying one phone and getting 3, since we guarantee to update your phone to Q and then R, or whatever our friends at Google will call the release after next. One of the most transformative developments in AI is that you can do anything you want with your phone with voice through Google Assistant. You can virtually do anything you need without touching your phone at all. This is so convenient that we've added a dedicated Google Assistant button. Order food, stream your favorite film, or simply text to say that you're on your way. Now, let's talk about imaging. The Nokia 2 has a sharp 13-megapixel camera. But more importantly, we're deploying the latest HDR and AI algorithms to dramatically improve image quality in all conditions. When it's bright and you have an abundance of light, most phones take okay photos. But when the day turns into night, many affordable phones start to struggle. Because of this, we're super proud to bring AI-powered low-light image fusion to the new Nokia 2. Through our advanced image fusion and noise reduction, you get better images even when it gets darker. This works with the selfie camera too. Along with the beautification technology, you can always show your best side. Continuing on our mission on bringing the latest technologies to everyday life, the Nokia 2 comes with biometric face unlock. And it has liveliness detection, so printing your picture and trying to use it won't help the bad guys access your things. All these features come in a beautiful package. The new Nokia 2 comes in steel and tungsten black out of the box. Our inherently colored Express-On covers have a premium glossy nano coating, so your new Nokia 2 stays looking good even if life gets bumpy. The Nokia 2 is our most affordable Android One smartphone, with powerful AI imaging features, a beautiful bright display, changeable Express-On covers, and our signature promise of 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security updates. It just keeps getting better.